Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMight, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
COVID-19 global impact and its testing techniques. Undoubtedly, whole of the human race is struggling against a pandemic. It is no more a fight to find a vaccine and prove human scientific dominance. Rather, it turns into a struggle for survival of the human race itself. Some experts relate it with influenza, the flu of 1918, which according to WHO cost 5 crore lives at that time. But this modern day influenza, because of its easy to transmit nature, seems to be way more dangerous. When Dr. Anthony Fauci, top expert in this field, believes the current phase as a starting one, this virus leads to 56,904 deaths with a growth rate of 13% per day and 10 lakh plus casualties. As days pass on, it seems whole this world becomes numberholic. Numbers flow from TV news debate to general public gathering debates. Amid this number centric discussion phase, let us take an opportunity to discuss something different, something serious, and something more useful. Let us talk about something that everyone must know in the present scenario. Today's most haunting real tragedy, worldwide coronavirus outbreak, which was believed to be spread from the wet market of Wuhan city of China. These markets sold densely packed animals and birds, and it can be the reason that the hygiene standards are not followed there, so that this virus jumped from animal species to human communities. This is a spillover event that coronavirus jumped from animal species to humans. However, the original host of the coronavirus is thought to be bats because the bat is a host of a wide range of zoonotic viruses like Ebola, HIV, and rabies. These findings are yet not confirmed and they need more research to be done over it. What is coronavirus? Coronavirus comes from a family that ranges from the common cold to MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. This virus has a crown-shaped structure above it, as seen under the microscopes. That's why it is called the corona. Coronavirus is a family of viruses. Some of the types of it can cause the common cold and mild to moderate respiratory diseases in humans. But now that the new species of coronavirus, which circulate between animals, has jumped to humans, the respiratory attacks are getting severe and thousands of deaths are reported due to it worldwide. How coronavirus spreads? Coronavirus spreads by the droplets released by an infected person in the air by coughing or sneezing. The virus cannot bear the external temperature, so it is thought to be not spreading by air. But if we are in contact with the infected person, it can be spread. So, social distancing is helpful to stop the chain spreading of coronavirus in communities. Symptoms of COVID-19: cough, sneeze, high fever, shortness of breathing. The incubation period of coronavirus. Symptoms of COVID-19 clearly shown after 14 days since the person got infected. Test for coronavirus. There are tests performed in the lab to detect coronavirus infection, which detects the virus presence and detection of antibodies produced in the body after the infection. The sample testing techniques could be a swab test. The sample can be taken by a cotton swab from inside the throat and nose. By a nasal aspirate, a saline solution will be injected in your nose, then by gentle suction technique, the sample is taken outside. By tracheal aspiration, in this technique, a thin tube, bronchoscope, will be inserted to your respiratory tract that goes to the lungs and collects samples there. Sputum test. This is a test where the mucus sample from your lungs is sampled from your nose when coughed. Blood test. Blood samples can be tested for all the variants of coronavirus by specialized gene sequencing tests that confirm the presence of markers of the coronavirus in the blood cells. RRT-PCR. In labs, the SARS-CoV-2 virus detection can be done by the method called serology, where we detect the antibodies in the sample. Real-time reverse transcription polymerase reaction, RRT-PCR. is the test that is required to be done on the sputum sample that gives the results in few hours to 2 days by isothermal nucleic acid amplification. A few days back, Abbott launches a test for COVID-19 by FDA approval, which can give you faster results, as the time taken by this technique for a positive result is 5 minutes and for a negative result it takes 30 minutes as reported by Abbott. This test runs on the company's ID, now molecular platform. COVID-19 test kits available so far. In January 2020, Berlin developed a confirmatory PCR test, RRT-PCR, and distributed 250,000 kits by World Health Organization (WHO). Keygen Biotech, a South Korean company, developed a PCR-based test kit, PowerCheck Coronavirus, on 28 January 2020. It detects the E gene expressed by all beta coronaviruses. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention in the United States is also distributing its real-time RT-PCR diagnostic panel to public health labs there. These tests were approved by the Food and Drug Administration under an emergency use authorization. In Russia, on 11 February 2020, COVID-19 test was registered by Federal Service for Surveillance in Healthcare, which is developed by the State Research Center for Virology and Biotechnology Vector, a rapid test developed by Taiwan in which monoclonal antibody specifically attaches to the N protein, nucleocapsid protein of the coronavirus. It is supposed to give results in 15 to 20 minutes. COVID-19 test kits in India. According to the media reports, 4 multinational companies are manufacturing and supplying more than 1 million diagnostic kits to India for the novel coronavirus. US-based Thermo Fisher Scientific. Thermo Fisher is promising support to the Indian government and labs by providing COVID-19 test kits. The company is producing required reagents as per the demand is increasing day by day for COVID-19 testing. Germany's Siemens and Altona. Siemens expected to produce 1 lakh tests till 10 April 2020. It will provide 30,000 to 40,000 tests to ICMR for free. South Korea's Seegene. Seegene is also scaling up the production of test kits and expected to deliver about 1 million kits to Indian government and private labs by 10 April 2020. Rapid antibody test kits. Indian government has also approved 12 rapid antibody test kits from 16 companies from all over the world, out of which 7 are China-based companies. These kits can provide a positive result in 30 minutes after 7 to 10 days of infection. The approval is granted to Biomednomics USA, Getin Biotech China, Sensing Self Limited Singapore, Hangzhou Biotest Biotech China, Amon Med Biotechnology China, Beijing Tixun Diagnostic Company China, Biomaxima Poland, CTK Biotech USA, Hunan Litho Biotechnology China, VivaCheck Lab China, and Wonfo China. COVID-19 test kits developed in India. The Indian government has approved 2 companies of India to produce and supply COVID-19 test kits. My Lab is the first company in India to get approval from the Indian FDA or CDSCO for COVID-19 diagnostic test kits on 24 March 2020. These kits can study 1,000 samples from larger labs and 200 samples smaller labs. My Lab is expected to produce about 1 lakh kits in a week and will increase the production as the demand increases. 3B Black Bio Biotech, a subsidiary of Kill-Paste India Limited, has become the second company to buy real-time RT-PCR technique on 3 April 2020. It is a molecular detection test that looks for a COVID-19 specific gene for a confirmatory test. This company also made a home test kit for the H1N1 pandemic earlier. Kill-Paste India Limited is promising to manufacture 10,000 kits by a week and so on as per the need. Bion, a Bangalore-based company, launches India's first home test kit for COVID-19 on 3 April 2020. These kits are approved by ICMR and also give results in a few minutes. These test kits test the blood sample. For this one, needs to clean the finger by alcohol swab and prick by the lancet provided in the kit and put the blood sample in the provided cartridge. It reads the result in 5 to 10 minutes. The kits are priced from 2000 to 3000 rupees and can be ordered on the company's website. Bion is expected to supply 20,000 kits per week. However, the home test kits are not 100% reliable, so the company advised people to go for the laboratory test if the symptoms continue. Necessity is the mother of all inventions. It seems to be very much true in the present scenario. As we are working on this article, India came across its Pran Vayu, a more cheap and portable ventilator, with the joint effort of students of IIT Roorkee and AIIMS Rishikesh that cost 25,000 rupees only. Indian government placed an order of 10,000 pieces which will be completed by funding and labor of Maruti. This week, we come across important development when blood plasma of survivor used to treat COVID-19 patients in China. With a success rate of 60 to 70%, though the number of tests is less, this experiment might prove to be the cure. No doubt, we will get away from this situation soon, but we must understand that we are in a time which in near future will be termed as landmark history, though a dark one. Many experts even termed it as World War III. Cases of corona flu will soon be an important part of medical literature. And what is more fascinating is that we are living at this time. We don't want to giggle around only with numbers when our future generation asks us about this pandemic. Rather, we should have some concrete knowledge, or in other words, we should make our basic clear right now. Hope this article has done some justice in this regard.
Thank you guys. If you find this video useful, like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for important notification.